We'll fix it, team. Okay, all right. So we're putting some of these anchors that hold the tower base in, and so gonna make some. I got threaded rod. I'm gonna make some extenders. Let me show you a little bit about what's going on. Real quick. Let's get a few of these pieces cut up real quick. I'll weld these up like this. I got something similar on the first one. I'll show you. I used rebar. I think that's fine, but I'm going to use a mixture of the rebar and those angle brackets just to be sure, so I'll have enough of each and kind of even it out amongst the two. So the next three over there will be what I got right there. So yeah, special thanks to some of the viewers for donated materials. Okay, so here's the more finished product. As you can see, we've got these 4 bolts will hold the tower plate down, that big plate piece at the bottom. Those 4 bolts will be what holds the pull pole up, the thing you seen welded to the tractor. And what I've done too is you can get an idea now why you see I welded all those anchors on there. That really locks this stuff into the concrete and makes it nice and steady. All right, so flip the camera back around. Really want to thank you guys for sticking around and tuning in and supporting this channel. Thank you for watching the small update, and we'll have a lot more fun things coming up soon. We get ready to set the tower base on and all that. That's going to be a lot of fun. We're using the front end loader and having a good time with the cement truck. Yeah, so we'll put the rest of this stuff up, guys. It's evening time, so we're going to go inside and call it a day and have a great rest of the time, whatever day this is you're seeing this. I really appreciate it. Hit like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.